and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. We're gonna have some fun today. I am kind of riffing off of Graveyard Girl. If you guys don't know who she is, her name is Bunny. I'll link her channel below, but she does a thing called Does This Thing Really Work? And I love it, and I love those videos, so we're gonna do something for us. So before we get started, hit the subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. All right, have you guys ever heard of this thing? That's why I'm barefaced to you right now, because this is something I just got in the mail. This is by Neutrogena, and this is called the Skin Scanner, okay? It goes on your phone, and basically what it does is it scans 1, 2, 3, 4 parts of your face, and it gives you a readout of what condition your skin is in right now. So as far as hydration, pore size, and wrinkles. It gives you like an overall score. And then in the app, it actually gives you a recommendation of Neutrogena products to try to combat the issues that you are dealing with. But I just thought it might be fun to try it out. I did try this out earlier today, and it is a little bit of a learning curve, I will say that. But I want to see how different my results are the second time, and it's a few hours later. I just want to see how accurate this is. So basically what it is I want to tell you how much it is. So this is $59.99. I'm going to be super honest with you. I don't think I paid that much. I think I paid $34. The price must have gone up. What this is supposed to do, though, is it's supposed to help you kind of gauge over time how your skin is adjusting to the skincare you're using. So I really kind of loved this idea because a lot of people really want to know if their skincare is working. There's a lot of tools coming out now that are similar to this, but I just thought, like, let's see how accurate it is. So what you do is you have their app. So their app is the Neutrogena app, and it's the 360 app. And was a little bit hard to use, in my opinion, in the beginning, but you kind of have to get used to it. So you register for it. It doesn't take very long. You just put your name and email address, and then they'll probably be sending me like a million emails. But so all you do is you take your little device, and it comes with a charger. You just charge it in USB. You slip it on your phone like so. You have to not have a case on your phone, by the way, and it does come in different sizes for different types of phones, so it's not just an iPhone. And then you press scan, and that's what that looks like. Let's see if I can show you. Scan. Now, it says start scan. And I'm telling you, this I wish was a little bit more responsive. That's the thing that I just do not like about this app, is that it is not the best made. And for $59, I don't know. I just kind of am like, I don't know. So let's try this again. So it says here is, why won't it start? You guys, I just did this. So that's annoying. It won't let you scan the same day more than once. I mean, that's ridiculous. It should, this is a true does this thing work situation. So I guess I'm gonna have to come back tomorrow. Yay! So I guess I'll come back tomorrow and share with you if this works now. But that's not, that's not okay in my opinion. Like, you shouldn't, I paid for this, and you should be able to use it as many times as you want. So, I don't know if that's the way of like controlling how many, like if you're able to use this for more people and just buying it once, but I think that's lame. All right. Yeah, it says, it looks like you already scanned for today. For the best results, we recommend that you wait until tomorrow for your next scan. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. All right, so I am back. It is the next day, and what I thought we would change it up to is that I used a different cleanser yesterday, and then I used obviously a different cleanser today. So I want to see if cleansers actually affect the reading too. So we're going to see that right now. The cleanser that I used yesterday was the JURLIQUE Replenishing Cleansing Lotion, which I love. And then today I used the new MURAD Prebiotic 4-in-1 Multi-Cleanser. It's really good, by the way. Very, very good. It's hydrating still. Okay, are you ready? Is this fun? Let me know if you guys like these, and if you have more skincare stuff for me to try or makeup stuff for me to try, that would be cool as a does this thing really work? Let me know in the description box. Or let me know in the comments below, and I would love to do that. Should be fun. Okay, here we are. Everything is on, ready to rock and roll. My app is pulled up. And on my score for the last one I did yesterday, my score was 74 overall out of 100, which basically means that I'm lacking hydration. My moisture was only 30, but my pores were 98 and my lines were 96, which basically means you try to get up to 100%. So the amount away from 100 is kind of what can gauge. So my skin is dry, which I don't think it's that dry, but we'll see. All right, so I'm going to scan. All right, start scanning, which is this little guy right here. Okay, and then it says first we're going to take a closer look at your forehead. So you tap the forehead on this picture, and then when you place it, you have to hold it really still. Okay, try again. See, it's really, really sensitive. You have to hold it really still. Perfect. Now if I had the sound on, which I'll turn it on right now, it takes like pictures of your skin. Okay, now we're gonna do the outside of our eye, like this. Okay, and now we're gonna do the cheek area where you would have pores. Okay, now this is the annoying part. It says basically the scanner detected that you applied too much pressure during the scan. This one, the cheek one, made me do it like 5 times last time. So annoying. I'm not even pushing hard at all. Here we go. This is try 7. This is try 15. Try 25. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is try 35. I'm not breathing. I'm holding it with 2 hands. I'm barely touching it onto my skin. I'm gonna give up here shortly. Okay, so I've started the app over. I did my first 2 scans, which took 1 time. I'm now trying it again, and I'm on my 6th scan after I've done it for 35 times the first time. This is ridiculous. I'm sorry. I'm like getting frustrated. I mean, if you guys are going to pay $59 for this, this should not work this way. Try 15. Honestly, again. Okay. So unfortunately, I really was really excited about this, and I just can't get it to work. So does this thing really work? It worked for me once, but I remember the first time when I did this, it took me maybe 2 or 3 times to try the cheek area. So that area seems to be something that needs to be improved on this situation, but I don't think this is worth $59, honestly. I mean, this is so frustrating. It's supposed to make your life a lot easier and make sure you know if you're supposed to be, using more skincare. It can be used daily so you can see kind of what your skin might need that day, which I think is really interesting and really exciting because sometimes it's hard to know what our skin needs. And by using something like this, it could be really inspiring. But when it doesn't work and then they're charging $59 for it, I don't know, it just is frustrating. So I'm sorry about this, but does this thing really work? No, it don't. All right, let me know if you guys like these videos. I know it was super silly, but I thought we'd have a good time today. So I'll see you on the next one. Thanks so much. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.